Okay, what I'm going to show you here is the rake keys and just how exactly they work. What I've got here is a rim cylinder, a bit stiff, but there you go, just show you that the lock's all working. Take the key out of there just so you can see it's all locked up. And basically with these rake keys for the standard sets, you've got these with like 3 peaks on them, and on these keys it's got the 3 peaks and they're cut at 3 different depths. Then we've got the other pattern, which is like this, a repeated pattern. I know initially they look like depth keys, but they're not the same spacings as depth keys at all. But this is your second pattern again, cut in 3 different depths. Obviously there's standard, reverse and so on, but these are just like the basic ones that I'm trying at the moment on behalf of UK Bump Keys. So let's give them a go and see how they perform. So basically you're putting these keys in. The idea is, like you would with a universal bump key, you'll put a key in, you'll try that key for X amount of time. Once you've tried the key for X amount of time, you'll then move on and try the other key until you get a key that works on that particular lock. It's no different with these. I have given myself a time scale of these. If it hasn't worked in 30 seconds, I'll move on to the next key. That's just the way I'm doing it. You might want to do it differently, but that's the way I do it. So I'll put the key in, and as with picking, all you're doing is raking in and out. You can rake them slowly. Myself, I'm raking at this sort of speed, which is fairly quick. Now as I'm raking in at this speed, I'm just turning very slightly to the right, probably as little turning motion and tension as you'd use if you were bumping. It's only a small amount. You can tell if I'm gripping the key with finger and thumb like that, you can tell there's not a great deal of pressure going on that turning motion. If I'm holding it like that, it looks more, but I'll try and keep it like that, then you can see it as clear as possible and know that I'm not putting too much tension on. So, I've had a quick go with this key, no success. Okay, we'll move on to the next one in this profile. So again, same process, and we're raking that. You can hear it on the pins there. It feels like it could go with this key. Not to say that it will, but we'll try it anyway. So trying that key, no success with that one. I'm not giving these 30 seconds, we're filming obviously, so it might, I'll try and skip through them in 15 till we get the right key. So try the next one, and that's opened the lock. Do you see that go then? Just show you again, now we know that's the right key, which in this case was the, oh, it's gone a lot quicker there. That's the thing with these keys, sometimes it might be 15 seconds, other times you can, like that, 3 rakes in. So that was the 3 peak key. Going back to the other profile that we've got, we'll try these now, see how these perform on the same lock. Feels a little bit high, but as you've just seen there, again, we've just raked that lock open. Demonstrate that again, hopefully, just to show it's not a fluke. Let's open the lock again. Let's try the second one in that set. You never know, sometimes more than, well, that one has worked. See, that's the thing with these, just because one works, you know, another one might as well. Again there. Try the final key from that set at a different depth again. That opens, I think that opened before I'd even gone to pull that back out. Try it really slow, see if we can catch it slow. And we did. You see how slow that went in then? A little bit quicker now just to open it again. There you go. They just amaze me, these keys. It takes a very short time to get used to them, and I mean a short time. It's not like picking a lock, single pin picking, where, you know, it is very difficult. It's easier than raking with a pick, and once you've done 1 or 2 of these, you'll find locks that you might have tried them on before where they might not have opened as quickly, you can then open. It's just that getting that lightness of the technique, and once you've got that, the lock's just all open. You see how easy that's going again, right? It's locked up. It's gone again. It's locked up. And it's gone again. That's how good these keys are. They're just amazing. Definitely recommend getting some of these to have a play with. They are, I've not seen them anywhere else other than UK bump keys, and they're somewhat special. That's the rake keys.